You are welcome in the class of physical education for class 12th, unit 7. We will carry on the topic effects of exercise on cardiorespiratory system, part 4. In part 4, we will discuss about some important points which are very essential and play the important roles regarding the cardiorespiratory system. Number 1 is faster adaptation of working load. It means those who are a very good sports person or those who are performing regularly the strenuous exercises. So on the behalf of that, the working load which has come while the strenuous exercise, that time the heart has quickly ready or quickly adjust to take the working load, and muscles are also getting to ready quickly working load. And on that adaptation of working load very quickly or adjust by the heart functioning very quickly as per the requirement of the body. Second one is return the normal pulse quickly. It means those who are trained or expert sports persons, they are performing regular exercises or in a daily routine exercises, then they have to be perform strenuous exercises. After that, they have to come back again that in normal pulse quickly by the heart or by the pressure which has created on the heart while the strenuous exercises. After the exercises, the normal pulse has come back quickly. It is the most important quality of a sports person, those who is performing the regular exercises or regular strenuous exercises. Next one is the increase the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the main important thing in our blood, and it has the full of oxygen, and that is while the strenuous exercises, the hemoglobin in RBCs, they have to provide the oxygen to that particular parts of the body where there is a required of the energy. So due to that hemoglobin, the energy flow has faster in the veins or capillaries. So on the behalf of these points, we are able to know about the cardiorespiratory systems in part 4. Thank you.